pioneer in professional and personal hair beauty products. Our dedication to innovation and continuous investment have fueled our growth, allowing us to offer a comprehensive suite of services. Currently, we are a vertically integrated company from mold design and injection molding to industrial product design, assembling, and sales support. Our facility is located in Dingguan City, China, over 16,000 square meters. There are 55 sets of advanced machinery, enabling us to maintain a maximum daily production capacity of 6,000 units. Inspire is committed to exceeding your expectations, whether you seek ODM or OEM partnerships. Our highly skilled industrial design and product testing teams ensure complete customization solutions tailored to your specific needs. Our dedication to quality is further reinforced by industry-leading certifications like CE, ETL, PSE, CCC, and ISO 9001. Additionally, Inspire products hold numerous invention patents, utility model patents, and appearance design patents across various regions. At Inspire, we are passionate about inspiring innovation in hair beauty. We believe that high-quality products and exceptional service empower our clients and partners to achieve their vision. We invite you to partner with us and bring your hair beauty vision to life.